guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince from Ghana. Today's episode of my video is I am here in Arayat National Park. Yeah, so I'm going to take you around and show you how this place looks like. Yeah, so come with me. Let's do this together. Okay, so at the moment we are in the Mountain Arayat National Park. Yeah, so as you can see, it's full of nature. Yeah, it's full of nature. Everything here is so beautiful. Yeah, and this is the car park also. Kuya, say hi. Yeah, nice one, nice one. So this is the car park, and that's my friend and the wife. Yeah, so as you can see, everything here is so beautiful. Yeah, this is it, Mountain Arayat National Park. Yeah, somewhere in Pampanga. Yeah, somewhere here in Pampanga, close to Magalang. Alika, Ikao. Let's go for tour. You show me around. Ako vlogger. Yeah. Alamo vlogger. Anong pangalamo? Noli. Okay, Noli. Okay, take me around. Let's go. Tara na.
Loli.
Okay, Loli.
Binigay ng guide sa inyo yung sa gate.
Okay, okay. Loli. Noli. Oh, okay. Ako Filipino. Ikaw? Filipino din? Kapatid. Oh, kapatid. So, as you can see, this place is full of nature. Yeah. It's full of green trees and stuff. Yeah. So this guy they gave me this guy to show me around. Yeah, they gave me this guy to show me around. So as you can see, you will see him you see him in my videos most of the time. Yeah, so this is the place. Yeah, I think this is
told me that I always had to be good, but being good always been problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm not wrong, baby, it's true, yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. But being could always bring problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play it, to play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm wrong, baby, it's true, yeah.
Coming straight from the mountains. Okay, and it goes through here. Wow. So once again, guys, we are at Mountain Arayat National Park. Yeah, we're at Mountain Arayat National Park. Yeah. Oh yeah. You will come inside my video. So Kuyanoli is taking me to a different place again to show me around. Yeah, Kuyanoli is my tour guide for today. Yeah, this place looks like a jungle. Yeah, so as you can see, it has some bench around. I call it lover's bench though. Yeah, you can come here and enjoy with your girlfriend or your asawa. Yeah, or your joa. You can come here and enjoy with him or her because it's full of nature and it's so beautiful out here. Yeah, this place is right in Pampanga, close to Magalang. Yeah, so it's like an hour journey from, or let's say 50 minutes journey from Angeles. Yeah, full of flowers, trees. Yeah, and it has a lot of pools around. Yeah, I think like so far I've seen like 3 to 4 pools. Yeah, so maybe guys you've been hearing another voice behind me talking. That's my friend. Yeah, he's also a YouTuber. Yeah, so this is the pool. Wow. This is the pool. Kuya Noli. Ito ano yan? Fish pond? Anong fish yan? Tilapia. Oh, okay. This is a fish pond. Kuyanoli told me it's a tilapia fish pond. Yeah. So as you can see, I want to get closer. You see the baby fishes. Okay, the baby fishes inside. Yeah. So there's the place. And you know, coming here, the entrance is so beautiful because whenever you are coming, the mountain is there, showing so huge. Yeah, so I'll be taking you out for you to see the mountain view with this place. Okay. So as you can see, there are a lot of kids around. Walang pasok?
Wala.
Today is Wednesday.
Module lang kuya.
Module. Oh, okay. Tapos na?
Tapos na.
Talaga?
Talaga.
Nice one, nice one. Anong pangalan mo?
Pogi.
Pogi. Okay, ikaw?
Ayun po, George.
Leonard.
Fa-
Leonard yan.
Ikaw?
Nag-vlog kayo kuya?
Leyland, ikaw?
Jay.
Jay?
Super.
Popel, okay. Pogi? Okay, nice one. Ako, Prince. Okay, so I think there's a canopy walk here. There's a canopy walk. Yeah, London Bridge. Yeah, so once again, I want to remind you that we are right here in Mountain Arayat. Yeah, Mountain Arayat National Park. Yeah, right in Pampanga. Yeah, Pampanga, close to Magalang. Yeah. So we are still here. We are still in Mountain Arayat National Park. Yeah. So I'll let my friend introduce himself so that you guys can go and subscribe to his channel. Julius. Yeah, just introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Julius.
Okay,
From Nigeria.
nice one.
Yeah, so we are here just moving around Arayat, taking a tour to see how beautiful the park, National Park is. So I encourage you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Julius Alagba.
Can you spell your YouTube channel?
Okay, Alagba, Alagba.
Nice one.
Julius, Julius.
Nice
Julius.
one. Nice one.
Thank you very much.
Okay, but Julius, I want to ask you something.
Okay.
I can see you wearing a promise ring or a wedding ring.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you married in the Philippines?
Yes, of course.
Nice one, nice one.
Yeah.
Okay, so on a normal basis, I will be making some interview with Julius. So very soon, yeah, you will see Julius on my platform anyway. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice one. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to Julius' YouTube channel. Yeah, he's an upcoming YouTuber. Yeah, he's an upcoming YouTuber. So I'd like you guys to support him also. Yeah, he's a nice guy actually. Yeah. So some places are dried, maybe based on the there's fishes in this water. Yeah, there's fishes in this water. Oh wow, you can see that. Wow, that's so beautiful. It looks like catfish. So yeah, there are fishes inside the water. Yeah, as I was saying, this place look somehow quiet based on the coronavirus pandemic stuffs. Yeah, so some places are not filled, but some places are filled. So I think when everything comes to normal, this place is going to be booming. Yeah, it's going to be booming. Okay, so I'm going to take you out so that you see the mountain view as well. Yeah. People are here for holidays and stuff. Yeah. You can see people are enjoying. Hello. Yeah.